Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store
C5
C3
D6
D store
Knight F6
D captures on C5
Knight C6
bishop C store
Knight captures on E4
bishop captures on F7 check
King captures on F7
queen H5 check
King G8
queen D5 check
E6
queen captures on A store
D5
queen A3
B6
C captures on B6
A captures on B6
knight A2
Bishop C5
queen G5
Queen F6
castles kingside
Bishop A6
queen captures on F6
G captures on F6
what A1
King F7
B store
Bishop D6
A store
Bishop B5
bishop A3
Bishop captures on A4
bishop captures on B6
Bishop B5
what A3
Bishop D3
knight D store
Knight captures on D4
bishop captures on D store
Rook captures on A3
knight captures on A3
Rook A8
what A1
Rook A4.
Bishop A3.
Bishop E5.
Bishop D8. Store.
Bishop captures on D4.
C. Captures on D8. Store.
Rook captures on B4.
F3.
E5.
D8. Captures on A5.
F captures on E5.
Well, A2.
Rook A4.
Well, A1.
King E6.
King F2.
D4.
King A1.
King D5.
King D2.
Bishop G6.
King D1.
H5.
H. Store.
Bishop F5.
King D2.
E4.
F. Captures on A. Store. Check.
Bishop captures on E4.
G3.
Bishop G6.
King A2.
Rook A8.
King D2.
Rook B8.
Well, A2.
Rook B3.
Knight C2.
Rook D3. Check.
King A2.
Rook captures on G3.
Knight A1.
Rook B3.
Knight F3.
Bishop D3. Check.
King F2. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.